So I heard some fucking wankers trashing around here, you know?
Oi, let's fucking sort them out, bastards.
Yes, yeah. I think we should write a fucking diss track to these fuckers, you know?
Brilliant.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do
Yeah,
it.
nature lovers, yeah. I have to live in a sustainable way. If it's not, it's gonna be you thrown away. If you're ruining our planet and acting like ass, you need more education, kid, go back to class. If you're gonna litter and act immature, nature is gonna get you. That we can assure is not that complicated to recycle more. If you have a great reason, do it for you lazy fool. Your bike is covered in dust, cycle more. That's what you must. Better buy yourself some electric cars, or Elon Musk will take you to Mars. If you don't change your habits soon, in a few years we all live on the moon. Make a change, you little pricks. If you still want some ice cubes in your drinks, I have the scissor in my hand, you still don't care. My next client in the barbershop's a polar bear. If you think so much on Instagram, your brain is becoming a rotten jam. You can only be brave on your phone. What you gonna do in the forest alone, running out of water? How will it be? We'll drink from the polluted sea. You can only stand under my umbrella if you're truly a nature-loving fella. Don't throw out cigarette filter tips, because you're gonna end up making more clips. Eminem has been real quiet since I rap, but for now, from us, it's a rap. It's a rap. It's a rap from now. Us, it's a rap. Nature lovers, yeah, urban jungle.
Next in line. Next in line. Slugs at my competition.